Understanding Cash Back Offers, Simplified for English Learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase you might encounter while shopping or browsing online. Cash back offer. This term can be a bit confusing, especially if English is not your first language, so let's break it down together. A cashback offer is a type of promotion that retailers or financial services use to encourage spending. When you hear this term, it means that if you purchase a product or service, a certain percentage of the amount spent will be returned to you. This return could be in the form of actual cash, credit for future purchases, or points in a rewards program. It's like getting a small refund for buying something. Let's dive deeper into how cashback offers function. Typically, these offers are associated with credit cards, online shopping platforms, or specific stores. When you make a purchase using a card or service with a cashback offer, a part of the money you spend is calculated and then returned to you. For example, if you buy something for $100 with a 5% cashback offer, you will get $5 back. It's important to understand that this is a way for companies to encourage spending, but it can also be beneficial for shoppers. One crucial aspect of cashback offers is understanding their terms and conditions. These offers often come with specific rules, like a minimum purchase amount, a maximum cashback limit, or an expiration date. It's essential to read these details carefully to ensure you truly benefit from the offer. To clarify, let's look at some examples. 1. Credit card cashback. Many credit cards offer cashback on certain categories of spending, like groceries or fuel. 2. Online shopping offers. Online retailers might provide cashback on specific products or during promotional events. 3. Store loyalty programs. Some stores offer cashback as a part of their loyalty programs, accumulating points for each purchase that can later be redeemed. Cashback offers can be a great way to save money, but it's important to use them wisely and understand the details. We hope this video has helped clarify what cashback offer means and how you can benefit from it. Happy shopping and smart saving!